towel down, shoes off, step, step, step. Water. Oh, I lost my place. Okay, water. Ah, wet, cool. The step, step, step. Calves, thrill, chill. Dunk all at once or walking gradually. Step, 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 dunk. Ah, cold, shock, thrill. I'm in. Fins on, swim. Hand over hand, arm over arm. Look, see colors, movement. My body stretches long. It reaches, kicks, head and eyes move. The feel in my body, comfort, memory. I have always loved the water. Fish baby. I forgot. I completely forgot how important the water is for me. To feel happy, content, curious, to live in the moment, to see what shows up. One morning, a sea turtle. The message, slow and steady wins the race. Another morning, an eel. Another, a shark. Jaws music, it plays in my head. Then a Christmas carol. A Norwegian swimmer lady once told me that sharks hate Christmas carols. Me projecting, not afraid, not afraid, in case sharks are like dogs and can sense fear. Shark message, keep swimming so you don't sink. Did you know if a shark stops swimming, they actually sink? Then another morning, 300 joyful dolphins. One swam the length of my body and half an inch between us. We went eye to eye. I saw another begin to spin, then turn upward towards the sky, spinning and spinning. We pop up at almost the same time. Me in time to see her break the surface in a spectacular jump to the sky. This makes life so present, so simple. Water is important for me. I am a fish baby. Always have been. Even if I'm not in the water, I'm still a fish baby. I want to remember, but if I don't, the minute I'm near the water, put my foot in, my body will remember home.